Dreams of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee's vision of develop India through computer in 21st century, and therefore he declared 2004 is a year of connectivity. To fulfill his desire, Mr. Pramod Mahajan provided infrastructure support to bring Indian economy at global standards through computerized process of management, supervision and control. Time proves that information technology is must for overall development of the country. Shri Sushil Sharma established a group of business promotion with the name and style that is India for B2B to implement dreams of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Creation of India for B2B. Mr. Sushil Sharma established this group of companies to introduce information technology and internet connectivity as a tool to create off and online career business opportunities to stop brain drain from rural areas to urban area and from there to abroad for integrated development of the country, and provide quality distance education in the field of computer hardware, software, design, MBA, law, insurance, environment, agriculture, medicine and sustainable management. He is also interacting professionals and their knowledge-based program with multilingual educated, uneducated, young entrepreneurs and youth to become IT familiar, create e-awareness and popular e-governance to reduce day-to-day hazards as well as develop leadership among them to face millennium challenges in the competitive era of technology. Mr. Sushil Sharma appealed all the dynamic legends, personalities and citizens to become partners to share the opportunity of prosperity which born to win and do revolutionary change in the lifestyle of Indian citizens, that is India for B2B. India for B2B is a strategic business solution provider to bring the knowledge of individuals and collective knowledge of the organization to provide the clients the real competitive advantage in the millennium. India for B2B is primarily involved in the conceptualization, development and delivery of a knowledge-based solution. Its core competencies derive from solutions rather than software. The technology focus revolves around the wireless internet and web-based technology. It is an intelligent IT solution provider specializing in areas like commerce server hosting and management, application, custom applications development and other cost-effective software solutions. Apart from wireless solution providing, India for B2B offers IT training with a vision of generating a unique breed of IT professionals adept at tackling the intricate size of the fast-changing technology which is able to accelerate other industries also. To achieve their target, Sushil Sharma introduces one portal, 7 websites and Millennium Computer. Our portal is indiaforb2b.com. Our websites are lagudyog.com, farmerinfotech.com, indiancyberlaw.com, chhattisgarhforb2b.com, jharkhandforb2b.com, pioforb2b.com, indoparkforb2b.com and Millennium Computer. indiaforb2b.com. India for B2B has a sole motto to create new online business opportunities, education for the youth in rural areas to urban, and promote wireless internet connectivity to develop video conferencing system to face the millennium challenges and integrated development of the country. India for B2B committed with themselves to provide computer-related information to handle and minimize general public day-to-day life matters, promote IT to get success and become familiar with them to eligible in the competitive era of technology. We also wish to coordinate, associate with Indian government to promote their e-governance concept for integrated development of the country and change lifestyle of the Indian citizen when world is converting into IT village. lagudyog.com. This is total IT solution website for the welfare of small-scale industries. It helps to set up small-scale industries and companies. Available thousands of project reports and important information about fact sheet of SSI, WTO, patenting, ILO, environment policies, law, insurance, government policies, export-import, technology and its upgradation policy to face millennium challenges. This site also provides valuable information about SecUnits, tenders and business inquiries, contractors and much more. Anyone can get complete suggestion for their inquiries in our website through email. We also respond offline. FarmerInfotech.com. This website provides IT-enabled services information for farming sector at their own place to aware about internationalization of farming, WTO, ILO, patent, genetic farming, biotechnology, seeds, insecticides, fertilizers, irrigation, government policies for farmer and farmers promotion, crop insurance, land valuation, credit cards for farmers, old age pension, project report for agri products and their services, law, tax, investment and business opportunities in farming, and start online agri product buy and sale. Counseling to create employment for youth at their own place to stop migration. IndianCyberlaw.com. This site provides up-to-date information about Indian and international cyber law. IndianCyberlaw.com also provides value-added law services to educate their clients. Because Indian government do not have any recognized course or degree, that is why we have future plans to introduce recognized online course for Indian cyber law. Chhattisgarh4B2B.com. This website provides exclusive in-time online business information to trap business opportunities in Chhattisgarh. It helps to attract foreign and Indian investment to speed up integrated development of state infrastructure and work as showcase of local valuable mines and minerals, especially to set up new units in industrial sector. We committed to stop all the hassles between government and Republic of Chhattisgarh for their betterment and reduce work stress of citizens of the state like bill payment, tax collection and many more. Jharkhand4B2B.com. Our object to provide best and quality education through internet in this region, where literacy is very less comparison to other states. Total population is 298 lakhs and total area is 74,677 square kilometer, having 18 districts of Chota Nagpur and Santhal region. There is a big scope of NGO to work for 25 lakh scheduled tribals. It is the best land to set up new industries based on minerals like mica, iron ore, copper, graphite, coal, as well as highlight other scope of investment in the field of agriculture, animal husbandry, herbal, plants, forest resources, food processing, vegetable and food production and processing, khadi industries, small-scale industries. This website also attracts investors and new entrepreneurs to become a part of 1,000 small, medium and large industries. We also wish to improve lifestyle of Jharkhand public by preparing and educating them to face millennium challenges in the new era of technology to match their development as per other states. PIO4B2B.com. PIO, who are approximately 20 lakhs in number and living in 110 countries, having rich business of $400 billion, who settled outside of the country for better business opportunities. They even today feel for their country, relatives and friends.
They wish to always remain connected with India in some way or the other. They are also desirous to cooperate with Indian entrepreneurs in their venture for integrated development of the country, as well as they want to develop cultural relations with their own motherland. PIO4B2B.com is ever ready and capable of helping them in fulfilling their desires.
IndoPark4B2B. Indo-Pak for B2B, born with the object to make Indo-Pak Mahasangh to stop bloodbath among the friends and relatives who were separated under the conspiracy made by defeated rulers who was compelled by our joint effort to left our land. With these efforts, we will able to save revenue and spend on security, as well as we also improve our economy and cultural relationship through export-import and by visit of friends and relatives of both the countries. To obtain the target, this website highlights and implements below noted subjects. Poll option for Mahasangh by Indo-Pak citizen as per age group. International public opinion. Display list of friends and relatives in both the countries. Product and services for exchange business opportunities, export-import. Promote the admission of students for joint studies in both the countries. Beauty and education contests online and offline. Introduce joint cricket and hockey team for world tour. Promote film and cultural stage show with common artists. Start online and offline club for senior citizens of both the countries. Millennium Computer. Sushil Sharma not only developed one portal and 7 websites to achieve their target, he also developed a Millennium Computer with the consideration to develop leadership among the young generation of the nation, as well as involve the Indian citizens, whether they are educated or uneducated men, women of any age and place, for the fast integrated development of the country and prosperity in their life to face the millennium challenges when IT converting world into village. His object to provide this Millennium Computer to all the major players of the society like traders, farmers, small-scale industries entrepreneurs, senior citizens, educated men and women of any age or place. He also wished to provide them internet security with this to keep secure their valuable items and life like banks, shops, showrooms, industries, stores, residents, cities, and their senior citizens who are alone their home. He wants to provide distance quality education and information for coming leaders in any part of the country without consideration of caste, creed, area and standard of the society, who having equal rights to get success in their life with the Millennium Computer. Sushil Sharma's opinion, if we want to live in world with respect, it must that maximum population of India should use IT as a tool to handle their day-to-day matters. If we succeed to do it, no one can stop us to become world superpower. It's Sushil Sharma, confidently committed. Video conferencing. India for B2B providing live video conferencing and toll-free phone number 24 hours 365 days to promote, protect you and your business through best counselor of the country. Doctor, advocate, IT consultant, finance consultant, project consultant, educationist, secretary, chartered accountant, astrologer, India for B2B PRO. So you can keep in touch with your professionals to get help anytime, anywhere. E-shopping. India for B2B online e-shopping is a shopping program which can be used by any Indian citizen, and what we are best at our delivery services and delivery charges. India for B2B has number of franchises all over India who can deliver your purchased product at very efficient time at no extra charges. And the most shocking feature of India for B2B shopping program is that here only you can make your payment through checks and demand drafts. No other such type of shopping is allowing this great feature. So now whatever product you want to purchase, no need to take tension. India for B2B shopping program is with you to solve all your hassles and problems. Yellow Pages. We are pleased to inform that Internet Yellow Pages for Chhattisgarh has become a showcase of the best products and services in the state. India for B2B and the related sites lagudyog.com, farmerinfotech.com, indiancyberlaw.com will bring together manufacturers, retailers and buyers in Chhattisgarh and will help
in promoting new technologies, investments and business opportunities for their benefit. We hope that exploring these internet yellow pages will bring business opportunities with Chhattisgarh well within the reach.
Classified. Post your online classified in any newspaper and get 15 days display on India for B2B portal, classified, e-shopping and register your business title and address in yellow pages forever, as well as enjoy search of any type of service and product.
Advertisement. Post your advertisement online in any national and international newspaper, magazine and get 15 days display free of cost in India for B2B portal, classified, e-shopping and register your business title and address in yellow pages forever, which have associate websites like lagudyog.com, farmerinfotech.com, chhattisgarhforb2b.com and indiancyberlaw.com to access countrywide and worldwide. Readers of advertisement can contact from any part of the country and world without paying local and STD calls, post courier bills and without hazard of paperwork. After registration, advertisers get username and password to access mail and check status of your advertisement and response by email, chatting and by video conferencing from your own secret and personal room.
Identity card. For enlistment of new million eligible voters every day. Update of existing migrant voters one place to another place and voters who pass away in the voter list of particular constituency, which is necessary to get a right mandate for right candidate and leadership in time, where election is going on round the year in any part of the country, and it also contains all necessary information other than elections like security, medical, financial and personal purpose, which help the person and administrative authorities in any kind of emergency and to tackle out day-to-day problems. MP MLA info. In public life, it is very difficult to help all the needful concerned persons and satisfy who having high expectations from their nominees. After being public nominees, Member of Parliament have their own responsibility like social, economical, cultural and infrastructure development, as well as protect business and create business opportunities in the constituency for the welfare of the society. Leaders always in controversy because they are unable to describe their description due to lack of communication regarding the charges of development and other related matters. NGO Association. Confederation of India for B2B formed for integrated development of India. It is must that all Indian farmers, industries, traders, labour and public associations, which all are the essential link of economy cycle, if any of them enacted, complete cycle will be effective. That is why I advise all above mentioned associations get together under one roof and think about millennium challenges and prepare themselves to exchange business opportunities from worldwide business community to stand in the world which is becoming IT village. Do not hesitate to exchange business with alliance. Today we are equal to developed world society. There is only difference that other developed countries utilize their ability timely and we were mistaken due to overlook and misunderstand the fact of WTO, treaty signed by previous government and implemented by present government under unusual international, economical, political and diplomatic pressure.
Finance. IE designed to close the gap between lender and borrower, bankers and businessmen. IE addresses the where do I get money and how do I prepare my request to receive maximum response. Mr. Sushil, author of Guidelines and experienced consultant of finance, has taken advice and discussed with international, national, private banks and lenders as well as government lending institute, chief executives and experienced professionals to explain this matter in simplified way and step-by-step procedure to prepare a loan package that will increase your chance of getting the loan. Project report. India for B2B is providing a wide range of techno-managerial guidance and extension services to small-scale entrepreneurs. Preparation of project profile is one such assistance available to the small-scale industry sector, technology available and various inputs to be provided like marketing potential, production detail, manufacturing process, raw material, working capital, capital investment, production cost, etc. to make the project viable. The project profile only provides basic guidelines and therefore entrepreneurs in their own interest are advised to obtain the latest information regarding the technology and production cost, etc. from the nearest small industries service institute.